Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. On this video today, we're going to talk about the terminal window, which is this window here. And when you'll open it, it's usually this size. So you can drag it and make it large according to your liking, whichever you want. So, trade are all the open and pending trades that you have going on will be this in this trade window. Once a trade is closed, it will be your in account history. So remember when I was showing you about the market watch window, I placed an order. That's this order right over here, and I lost money on it. Anyways, that's why I have a demo account. So that's your account history. All your trades for the month will be in here. Exposure basically tells you your account history, what the balance is, and I don't use it. The only tool that I use is the trade and account history. News is the news that your broker has pushed out. So you can see the news here. I don't use this. I use Forex Factory to see the news is over there. I don't use that. Alerts is to have an alert come on when a certain condition is met. Right now I was playing with it. Right click on it, create an alert. You can, sound, mail notification. Usually it's sound or mail for me, email. I'm going to leave it on sound, and I'm going to say if the price goes higher than 55935, bid is greater than 1.55935. Okay, now if you take this window, I don't know why they gave it to me. I can change the date, but I can't change the time on it, so I usually leave it blank. Okay, and the alert, okay, and there you go. I have a new order pending. As soon as this is met, your terminal will give you an alert. If you have it set on email, it will send you an email alert. Mailbox, emails or messages from your broker. Market is what people are selling out there through your broker, and these are all. If you click on it, it will open a new window, and you can buy, order, or rent, depend what that is. I don't use these things, so I have no interest in them at all. Signals is the same thing, but it's for signals, basically copying a trade of somebody else. You have to buy or sign up with them, and you'll get the alerts for it. So again, I don't use it, but that's what it is. Codebase, I think, is the same thing for this thing that's giving you the signals. If I'm not wrong, don't hold me for it. I don't use this, so I don't really care about it. Experts is that I use once in a while. If you change something in a chart window, that will happen over here. Let me go here and delete this RSI indicator. Delete this. Okay, and if I go back again in here, it should tell me. Interesting. And journal. Okay, custom indicator repeating removed. There you go. It's showing it to me over here in the journal, but in the experts is going to do the same thing. It should. Now let me go layers. And but these basically these experts and journal will show you all the edits for the day. This is not going to, as soon as you close your terminal, you cross out, this is going to go back to 0. Now here one of my alerts have been met. Right here the alert has been met, so it gave me an alert. So this is all about the terminal window. And the other thing is, if you don't see all these things, don't panic. Not all brokers give it to you. I had brokers that gave me trade, account history, and experts and journal. That's it. Sometimes they don't give you all these. Some of them won't even give you the alert thing. I don't use it that much. But this is mainly the highlight of the terminal window. I hope you guys learned something, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email and ask the question, and I'll try my best to answer it for you. Okay. Thank you, and you have a great day now. See you in the next video.